Hello, welcome back to my channel Kitika Entertainment. Today I'll tell you some C library file handling functions, that is the get w, get w and put w. Get w and put w are two integer function which are used to write the integer value to files. Write the integer value to the files, so that is using get w. And that is use the put w. Put w is used to write the integer value into the file, and to read the data or to read the integer value from the file, we use get w. Today we will be show you the practical how we write the integer value into the file and how we retrieve that integer value from the file. So just to see how to write this. First I will write file name, suppose gedit. Gedit, I will write file name is suppose integer. So integer, not int, I will write inte. Dot c. All file operation or file int dot c. This is the file name. So what I will write here, I will write first include. First I will show you the example of what your get w. So here hash include, I will write stdio.h. Then hash include conio.h. Then now I will declare the main function. So this is the most important two functions in C file handling, file operation. Get w, put w. So here I will declare the one x variable to take the input from the keyboard. Then I will declare the file file pointer fp is equal to what I will be declare f upon is a file function. What is the file name I will write here? Suppose init dot data, that means data file. I will be want to open with write permission. Write permission means what? File always will be updated. Whatever data will be write, previous data will be erased or previous data will be deleted or truncated, new data will be added. That is called w. It means write permission. So then after I will be write while 1. While 1, then I will start the bracket. So here suppose I will be asking to user enter the number. I will enter printf, enter the number. I will give the condition -1 for to exit. It will press the -1, then it will be exit the means your program. So then I will write scanf. What will write here? Percentile d %x. Then I will write what now if x greater than 0. That means I have given the condition -1 to exit. So here will write program if x greater than 0, then it will write into my file. So you will write p put w. Okay, you will write put w. You remember here you will pass the two parameters. Okay, first thing is what, which number you want to write into the file. So I want to write %x number I want to write in the file. Okay, then which file pointer you have to use, fp. Remember that what, now here I will check the condition. Okay, if file is not successfully allocated in the memory, if fp equals to null, you can write, okay, file creation failed, printf. Okay, you will write file creation failed, file creation failed. Okay, so then you will be here exit the program. Okay, so if not file program is successfully created, then it should be exit my program. Okay, then here you will write put w %x and fp. Okay, then if your program, if your number is greater than 0, then it will be write into the file. Okay, then this program should be continue if it will be enter greater than 0. Okay, then what to write? If you are not entering greater than 0, then it will automatically goes to the exit part and it will be automatically close the program. Okay, then you will be, okay, close the program, continue. Okay, then after you will close the file pointer. Okay, f close fp. Okay, if close fp, then what will do? It will be close the, this is the main function. Okay, then I will be compile it. Okay, then I will be press save, then I will be close, then I will be compile it. You just see gcc. Okay, so not is continue, it is write the stdlib. stdlib. Okay, so file stream. Okay, so what will happen here? I have written the x, %x will be write the only x. Okay, then you can see close, file is successfully compiled, then press ./a.out. Okay, so enter the number -1 to exit. So here I have entered 10. Okay, then next time it is asking 20. Okay, then it will asking 30, then 40, then 50. Then I do not want to enter any more number, so it will press -1, then it will be exit my program. Then what, next program I will write, same number will be read. You remember one thing, whatever data you have inserted, it will write in this file. So when you open this file, you cannot read because it is written in the binary format. So here you write gedit. Okay, if you write init dot dat, then you can see and then you can see, okay, if you write init dot dat, you can see what is the my program file name. I'll show you. Okay, okay, init.dat, my file name is init.dat. So here I will check whether my file has written the data or not. So here write gedit. Okay, I will write init dot dat. So I do not find any data. I think there is some mistake. So where is the mistake? I will see it. Okay, so I open this file, then file pointer fp f1 init.data. I think init.data has a I will create here number.data wmod. If fp is null, then file creation failed, exit 0, enter number, scanf %d %x. If x greater than 0, put w, continue. Okay, then I will be run this program and see it. This C, I will compile this program successfully and dot slash, then I will enter 10, okay, then 20, then 30, then 40, then -1 plus close the program. Okay, then I will check gedit. Okay, what is the my program name or my file name? My file name is number.data. So I will check that number.data is there created or not. Number.dat. Have you seen? My file has created. It is written in binary mode, so I cannot read from this file. Only program can be read. So to read the same integer value from that file, okay, what will be used? We will be use the getW. Okay, so now I will be creating another program. Okay, suppose read int, okay, dot c to read the integer value from that number. Okay, so what will write here? I will write as include, okay, you will write stdio.h, okay, then hash include, okay, you will write stdlib.h, okay, then what will write here? Int main, okay, then you will write int suppose x. Okay, so now it will be read the number from that file. So before that, we will be declare the file pointer fp is equal to f open, have a number, remember the file name. File name is what? No dot dat. Okay, which mode I have to open? You just tell me. I will be open in the read mode. Okay, to read the integer number from that file. So here I will check whether file have exist or not. If file fp equal to null, okay, then I will be write, okay, printf no such file exists, no such file exists. Okay, so here my program should be closed here. Don't go ahead. So okay, then what to write? I'll be write x is equal to get w get okay, I'll write get w. Okay, what is the file pointer? fp. Then what to write? While, okay, you will write x greater than 0. If x greater than 0, whatever value will be retrieved a number. If that is x greater than 0, then it will continue. So here write printf, okay, percentile d, give the tab space, okay, what will write x. Then after read this number, then next value from the program it will be read. So same thing I will be here copy paste for the next number to read. Okay, then this time it will read. After that it will be closed. After read it will close the file fp pointer. Okay, then close the main file. I will tell you, if you are new to my channel, then subscribe it. If you already subscribed, then comment, like and share. Okay, so here I'll be to read the data file, compile this file in write ./8.out. Okay, have you seen? I have entered 10, 20, 30, 40 and it will display 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, if you have some doubts in this program, then you write your comment or complaint or anything in the description in the comment box, so that I will be rectify your problem. And if you are beginner to my channel, then subscribe it. If you already subscribed, comment, like and share. Okay, bye, thank you.